A very warm welcome to Anand present here. I'm Haripriya Darshini of EC department. I'm here to represent my digital communication mini project on the topic implementation of wireless PC communication system by using transceiver. Now let's dive into the topic. Okay, what is wireless communication? Wireless communication itself says that the communication of data in a wireless medium. For example, the channel is an air medium. Here you can see in the picture there's a transmitter and a receiver, and in between them is the transmission medium, which is the air medium, and the signal waveform is represented as the data is represented as the waveform. Radio frequency. Wireless communication through radio frequency has many advantages as it does not require any line of sight connection between the transmitter and receiver, while the line of sight connection exists in infrared communication. The range of radio frequency communication is very high related to the infrared communication. Radio frequency signals can be transmitted through the obstacle, and it does not interfere with other RF signals over one frequency band. That is the main advantage of radio frequency uh, communication. Let us look into wireless transmitter. Here we are using the radio frequency transmitter. HT12E is an encoder integrated circuit which will convert the 4-bit parallel data given to pins D0 to D3 to serial data and at output pin D out. This serial data are given to the transmitter, and address inputs A0 to A7 can be used to provide data security and can be connected to ground. The status of these address pins should match the address pins of the receiver for transmission of data. In this RF transmitter, we are having 4 pins, which is a ground, data, VCC, and the A and T represents the antenna. Wireless receiver. The radio frequency receiver receives the transmitted data from the RF transmitter, as we have seen before. Here, HT12D decoder will convert the received serial data to a parallel data of 4 bits. The LED is connected to the circuit. Here you can see this one is the decoder. HT12D is the decoder, which are connected to 4 LEDs and a resistor of 33 kilo ohm and a value transmission LED. And it is connected to the RF receiver. Wireless PC communication system using transceiver. This system uses 2.4 GHz transceiver to establish communication between the two computers or two nodes. This system is used in offices for communication between the employees and manager. A wireless PC communication system uses a pair of 2.4 GHz transceiver modules, which is powered by 5-volt DC and an alarm circuit. This system is used for bidirectional real-time chat communication from one PC to another using the hyperterminal. A pair of transceiver modules are connected to the PCs using a DB9 connector, and a serial data card using RS-232 protocol is used for communication between the module and the PC. An onboard AC to DC power supply is used at both ends to power the units. While one of the users attempt to initiate the chat, an intimation is created using a buzzer sound upon the receipt of the message. So buzzer is used to indicate to initiate the chat. Thereafter, the other user can start communication over the chat mode from the PC. Wireless communication system project works only on operating systems having hyper terminal, and the computer must have an RS-232 serial port. Only if the computer is having RS-232 serial port and it is having a hyper terminal, then only this communication system can be performed. Here you can see the picture of wireless PC communication system using transceiver. So this is the block diagram of this wireless PC communication system using transceiver. Here we'll see what are the hardware components. First, we are having the transformer to provide power, the rectifier, the regulator, 7805, the regulator LM1117, and here 2.4 gigahertz transceiver is there. A 555 timer is given, max 232, and PC. And here you can see a buzzer to initiate, gives a sound to initiate the chat or the communication. Yes, these are the hardware components. Um, 2.4 gigahertz transceiver, resistors, capacitors, diodes, transistors, transformers, voltage regulator, 555 timers, and a buzzer. Let us look into the operation of this circuit. The circuit uses a standard power supply comprising of a step-down transformer. Here we used a step-down transformer from 230 volt to 12 volt, and four diodes we have used, as we have seen in the picture that we have used four diodes, which is forming a bridge circuit. Like a Wheatstone bridge circuit is forming a bridge rectifier that delivers pulsating DC pulses, which is then filtered by an electrolytic capacitor of about 470 μF to 1000 μF. What is a triple five timer? It is used to provide a time delay. Usually, this timer is used to provide time delay for various applications. It is used, and it consists of a triple five timer IC, resistor, and capacitor combination, and a transistor. Max 232 is an IC used as a voltage converter. This IC is used in communication system where the voltage level conversion is required to make detailed devices to be compatible with RS-232 standards of PC serial ports and vice versa. 2.4 gigahertz transceiver. This is an RF based 2.4 gigahertz frequency transceiver, which is designed for low power wireless applications. Uh, it can be enhanced to link a number of systems, forming a network of computers so that a number of employees can communicate with each other. So these are the applications of wireless communication: car alarm system, sensor reporting, remote control automation system, etc.